Welcome to Vintage Stitchery Archives. Let's step back into the 1940s with this vintage WorkBasket magazine from March 1949. This issue features delicate threadwork patterns for doilies, edgings, accessories, and home linens, all designed during a time when crochet was both necessity and art. For this flip through, I've chosen to present this as a full-page slideshow, so you can pause and even take screenshots of the patterns you would like to save. Alongside the patterns, you'll find advertisements that give us a wonderful glimpse into daily life in the late 1940s. This insertion and edging may be used on hand towels, pillow slips, handkerchiefs, or as a trim on blouses and dresses. Aunt Ellen's Recipes and Household Hints offers charming slices of 1940s homemaking. If you would like the complete magazine in PDF format, it's available in my Etsy shop at the link in the description below. Thank you for joining me for this vintage WorkBasket magazine flip through. If you enjoy needlework history, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps preserve these treasures and keeps more vintage magazines coming your way. Thanks for watching.